This is my makeup desk, my original makeup desk. And as you can see from wiping it down, it has gotten some, the paint and stuff is starting to be removed. And it's a little dingy, dirty. Unlike this one, which you can see as soon as I bought it, I got a little cover for. I did not do, it's a mess, y'all. I got this, I got to straighten up. I know that. I got stuff everywhere. But this is my makeup side of the house. Mess. Look at the boxes. Look at the boxes. Just everywhere. But anyway, so I got this this liner to put on here. And I am hoping that it'll just cover this and it'll look nice again. So here we go. Let me get that liner. This is the liner I got. It's like a marble liner. I got it from Amazon. Shoot, I was hoping it would be wide enough, but okay. So I wouldn't have to do too much. So, all right. So here we go. I'm going to put this down over so it'll cover all these stains and paint coming off and scratches and all that stuff. So here we go. Okay, so I already know this is not going to be perfect or anything, but it'll do what needs to be done. And I'm hoping you can wipe this down with no issue, because I didn't read it all too well. I have a problem. I don't read the instructions. I don't know why. So let's see here. Okay. I hope this is the peel back kind. I don't even know. I don't even know. Yeah. So what we'll do is, okay. I probably should have got a wider one. I don't know. Maybe I'll just put it on this section. Just this section down here. And leave that other section alone. Child, I don't know. Okay. So that should be long enough. All right, that should be long enough. So here we go. I'm just going to cut this straight across. As straight as I can get it. Lord, I just woke up too. I probably should have woke up all the way. Oh, well. Sometimes when you're ready to do stuff, you're just ready to do it, right? So, now, come on. I don't think you'll bother. Yeah. Yeah, that ain't even long enough. Oops. Oh, Lord Jesus. Ain't even long enough, y'all. I am not good at DIY. Oh, Lord. It is not even long enough. Didn't I measure this thing? Look at this. Look how much space I got over here. Look. Shoot. That's me. All right. So, all right. So I'm gonna just peel this in like so, right? Okay, I got an idea. Okay, I got an idea where I just put it down like this, right? Oh, look. Hold on. Yeah, this thing that is sticky. Okay. Okay, I got it down. Oh Lord, it's all stuck down here. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. So I got it right. Ooh, this is. Okay. So it's stuck right there, right? So my idea is just to pull this paper as I go down. Okay, it's working. It's working. And just keep going this way. Straight down the line. So if I had cut it right, it would have worked. Alright. Oh Lord, I got bubbles in it. Okay, let's smooth this out. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. Let's get these bubbles out. You know, they say you're supposed to measure. I did not measure, right? You didn't see me measure nothing. You're supposed to measure twice and cut once. I halfway measured, and then I went in for the kill. Oh well, it's mine. It looks all right to me, except for these darn bubbles. Okay, I gotta figure out what to do because of. Oh, it's a little bit over the edge here. Let's see. No, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Okay, so this looks good to me. You hear the bubbles though. Okay, let's get these bubbles out. Okay. Okay. Bubbles. Still there, but hey, it's looking good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do a little piece right here. Do a little piece right here all the way across. And probably do a little strip. Right. Can you see it? I'll do a little teeny strip right down here to overlap this area. Because that's not gonna work. Okay? Alright, let's do this. Where's my okay, got it. Alright. So let's do this. So I could have saved myself all this headache, y'all, if I had got that plexiglass, went to Lowe's, and got that plexiglass done. Oh man, this one look. Uh-oh, I don't have enough. Okay, I don't have enough. I do not have enough. So I'm going to skip ahead and just do the little strip over here. I don't have enough. I just ordered it. I didn't even say. I didn't measure anything. I didn't say. I didn't do nothing. So yeah, that's what I get. But hey, I'm mad at it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Looks good to me. I wonder if I should do a strip. Just do it. Come on, y'all. Come on, because this is where I have stuff. Right? Maybe I should just do a. How would that look? That'll look. I don't like that. So I'm gonna do a strip right here. Let's see, that's about 1.5 inches. Yeah. Do a little strip right here. So it's about see, and that's another thing. I don't learn my lesson. I said about that's about right. Let's go and cut that off. Come on. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. That's about right. Stick that right here. Can you see that? Hopefully. I'm going to stick that right on right there. Look good to me, y'all. Here we go. Looks good to me. Let's go in. Peel that off. Good, good, good. Even though those, I don't care about that. Put these edges right on there. So that's covered. Look at that. Perfect. I mean, I ain't paying myself. All right, that's good. That's good. I'm liking this, y'all. I wish I had done. Oh, ooh, guess what? I wonder if I cut this, right, in half, if it'll go all the way across. You see what I'm working with? Half and go here and behind it. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see what's about half. Okay, let's see what's about half. Yeah, this will work. This will work for me. Okay, so let's get this done flat, right? Let's see, about halfway. See here. No, I'm not getting up to get no ruler, nothing. I hear you. Let me see. I'll use this. How about that? That's one. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. That's not white enough. How about this one? One. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. So, I'm going to cut from here all the way down. Cutting from here all the way down to make a, and I wonder if it has lines on the back. Oh, y'all. It sure do. Lord Jesus. Oh, I'm going to just use this line right here. Bam. Whammo, bammo. So that's going to be my line. All right, here we go. I wish I had discovered that when I first opened it.
You filming?
Yep.
Your body?
Yeah, I'm doing a DIY.
Oh, you putting some.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
But I didn't read the instructions.
We couldn't have done that on the countertops in the kitchen. They look the same.
Please leave, sir.
Fresh style green beans, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, now. Yeah. So now that cut was not my fault there. I can't get. I wish I would have looked at this before that first cut. I think I would have done a lot better. Oh well. You know what I might do is just order me another one. Peel this off. Order me another one and get it right. Oh well. Why though? This gonna be fine. Okay, so now I got the first half. See, it already got the bubbles in it. See, it's only going to, let's put the flat in this way. So, it's only going to cover but so much, you know? But hey, we doing it. I'm doing it. Awesome. Okay, so let's peel off the back of this one from this side. Yeah, because we got, he was saying, why can't we do this because for our countertop? Because we didn't pick anything for this house when we moved in. And so then a couple of years later, I wanted granite countertops. But now he said, oh, you got to just put some whatever this called, this paper liner. Please go away, sir. Please just go away, sir. Okay, now I'm just pulling all that off. Let's slide camera down a little bit. And then we just gonna make it flat. Man, I like this. This looks good. I can go help my friend in Texas with her business. She's a designer. She's really good. Me, not so much. Let me just be quiet. All right, so I'm peeling this second half. Let's turn you around. So the second half. Okay, second half right here. Okay. That side this way. Good enough for me. Good enough for me. And hey, look at this. Okay, yeah, I may order another piece and redo this because, well, let me finish first. So I'm just peel it. One. No, two.
Okay, just check.
Like, y'all, okay, I got a question for the married folks. Okay, I'm married. Have been married to my husband for 30 years. But how many are the oldest daughters married to the baby of his family? Please tell me. Tell me how you surviving. Because my husband gets on my everlasting nerves. Because he always want to put on a show. You know how baby of the family always doing something? He still does that. I'm like, get your behind down. Ugh. So how many are you out there? The oldest sister of the family, who runs the family, as you know, with the baby of the family. Please tell me how y'all doing. All right, so this is it. I'm done. It has a few. I'm gonna move this over real quick because I was worried about that mirror. But yeah, it's on here. Pull that down. I'll pick that up though. So I'm gonna put all my stuff back over here. So this is it. Yeah, I got so much stuff. I need my own room, not part of the room, which is what I have. I have so much stuff stuffed into this one little area. So this is it. You can see the lines and stuff, but that's cool. That's cool. And it's smooth, so that's good for wiping. I don't really feel those bubbles like I was feeling. Oh, here's one. Like I was feeling before. I like it. Okay, I'm going to put my stuff back on and then show you the finished product. All right, y'all. All done. I put right here for that part. It's all my face stuff, my little mirror, my colored eye pencil, some brushes, some spray, sunscreen stuff, eye brushes, face stuff, a little perfume, foundation, my makeup for the week. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Don't that look good? I'm proud. All right, y'all. If y'all want more videos like this, let me know because I'll do it. I'll do it. All right. I'm just kidding. All right. Love y'all. Have a blessed week. See you in another video.